Hi everyone. Today I am discuss about list implemented classes in collections. So here list is a one interface, is a sub interface of collection interface. So collection is also one of the sub interface of iterable interface. So collection interface contains some group of abstract methods and list interface contain group of abstract methods. These are all abstract methods are implemented in this subclasses. So list have these are the all subclasses, concrete classes. So all abstract methods are implemented in array list and linked list and vector. So here vector and stack are legacy classes. It is called legacy classes. Legacy classes means old classes. Java introduction, Java JDK 1.0 onwards they introduce into the market. So vector is a legacy classes. What is the meaning of the legacy classes? Whatever methods are implemented in vector class, those all methods are synchronized methods. Synchronized methods means if you execute multiple threads in this area, so one thread process is completed, then only next thread is involved into this vector area or stack also. But these are the thread safe, not thread safe. These are the thread safe. Vector is a thread safe. Stack also thread safe by default. And because of it is a subclass of vector class, but array list and linked list are not thread safe. We can perform multiple threads in this area, array list and linked list. Okay, generally collection have two scenarios there. One is a list, second one is a set. Set is when you choose set implemented classes, when you say select a list implemented classes actually. So for suppose our data is a unique performance is required. Unique performance means duplicate values are not allowed. In that situation we take set implemented classes. So for suppose I want to store duplicate elements also, then in that situation we take list implemented classes. Okay, so those are the information we discuss in practically. See here, see for suppose this is first is one class. In this area I create array list, al equal to new array list. Okay, so this is an instance. So in this memory which type of data want to store? So by default collection classes are generic type. This is a generic symbol. So I want to store different types of values. Different types of means either integer or float or string, any type of value I want to store. That's the reason here I am define object type. So object is a super class, that's why you can store any type of data into this array list object. Then so now it is eligible. Then al dot add is one of the method for store the data into the array list. So here I want to store integer value. So next here soft is a string 6.34 float value and one character, one duplicate element also. Okay, because of array list is allowed duplicate content, but set is not allowed duplicate. Even null values also it is allowed. More than one null values also allowed, but set is only allow single null only at a time. Already previous session I discussed about those things. Okay, so you have to see that one. If you want any set implemented class functional list, then you have to see previous session part 2 of the collections. So null, yeah. So these are the group of elements stored using the add method. So for store the collection of the value we can use add all also. Okay, add all means collection of data, collection of collection data want to store into the one collection, then we take add all method. Okay, so simply I define system.println al. Yeah, by default we can print directly this reference, then automatically whatever values are there, those values are automatically all our values are printed by default, no issue. Yes, so this is a insertion order. Okay, then actually this is a values are follow index order. Okay, so index order means starts from the 0. That's the reason we can take using the for loop also we can print the all the values 0 I less than arraylist dot size. Size is one of the predefined method in arraylist. So then I plus plus system dot out dot println arraylist dot get is a one method. Each and every value you can get the value. Okay, so using this index values also we can print. And next one is, see, I want set the value. Okay, insert the value means is a add, the value as at end. Okay, so I want add value second position. Okay, 0 1 2, this is a second position. So already we see this is the index position. We can insert the value into the specific position also. So using that is why this is a important. See, array list is very very important compared with hash it. So they have some features, additional features have in array list. Okay, so add of, I want insert second position, q logics. Okay, before insertion, after insertion, after add second position. See here, 90 second position, 0 1 2, two position I insert q logics. Then 6.34 and a 90 null values also all printed here. Okay, see, for suppose I want set the value, so I want replace. Okay, not add the specific position. Okay, add method is add at end, the value is added at end. So I don't want add at end, so I want add specific position. Then we can take index value also. So that is a additional feature of the array list. Okay, so I want set the position replace with 20, so in place of the 90. Okay, so on the time we have to use al dot set method is we have to use. So in that place of the, for suppose 90 means here is a 0 1 2 3 4, fourth position. Here I want to add 50. Okay, then after that I want to print array list al. Okay, so then run the yes. So 90 position is, so it's printed 50. Okay, so here, see here, before that fourth value 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4, a position I added 50. So 0 1 2 3 4 5, fifth position actually, this one is a fifth position. Okay, so fifth position I replace with 50. Okay, so there is no 90 value. So like that, this is a difference between add and set. So add method is, using the add method we can add at end or in between the any value, like in any index position value also. But set is a replace with the previous value. Okay, that's the difference between set and add. Okay, and one more thing is, here we have print a lot of the values is there. So using the for loop also we can print, because of it's a follow index order. So iterator, array list dot iterator is a one of the method. So using the iterator also we can print iterator itr. Okay, so then while loop itr dot has next and println itr dot next method. So using the has next and next method we can print the values also. Already we discussed this is the information, entire information in set implemented classes. So iterator is one of the method in array list. So the iterator method is work is whatever array list values are there, those are the values are stored into itr reference variable. Has next is a point to each and every element. That pointed element is printed using the next method. Okay, using the next method. So this is another approach to print the values. Okay, and one more thing is here, list iterator itr. So that is what is the difference between list iterator and the iterator? List, using the list iterator we can print the values either forward direction or backward direction also. Okay, list iterator. So using the while loop, for suppose copy paste. Okay, so itr. So this is a forward action, has next and next method. Okay, this is a forward action. See here. So I put a comment everything from the starting onwards. So using list iterator, I print forward direction. Okay, so now I want to print a backward direction of list of values. Okay, direction, list of values. So here, so already list iterator reference is available. So here we are using has previous and this one is previous method. Okay, so this is the information is previous backward direction. Okay, same scenario. So this is a forward direction, this one is a backward direction. So that is the difference between iterator and list iterator. List iterator, using the list iterator we can print forward direction using the has next and next method. Using list iterator we can print backward direction using the has previous and previous methods. So that is the difference between list iterator and iterator interface. Okay, both are is available in list class. Okay, so finally here the point is, so there is a lot of information is we can using lots of functionalities we can implement using the arraylist class. So first suppose here I change linked list, just I change linked list object. So if you take array list or linked list, both are same functionality, there is no change. Okay, no change, everything is done with linked list also. Whatever we done previously using the array list, same scenarios we can done with using the linked list. But one difference is when we choose array list and when we choose linked list. So array list if you choose, there is no changes in between the list of values. Okay, number of changes means insertions, updation or deletions, those things are not there. Then in the situation we take array list. Otherwise, okay, is the lot of changes like updation, deletion, there is no lot of updation, no lot of deletions of collections, then we choose linked list. That is the best thing. Okay, performance issue. So other than that, both are same functionalities. Okay, the functional implementation is different. Okay, this is a list implemented classes. Remaining legacy classes is there, the legacy classes later we discuss. Okay, see you, thank you.